and welcome to Carrot Town Garage. This is our video review of our 1965 Ford Mustang 289 V8. Been really well looked after, this car, really beautiful. She's quite rare as well because she's got the bench seat in the front, so basically you get a one-piece seat with an armrest that splits the two seats up. It's a really nice feature. It was a factory option when it was new. We've got the luggage rack on the back as well and the black vinyl top. She drives spot on, and like I say, been really well looked after. What can you say? She's a Mustang. She's just cool. You know, you just park this on your driveway and you have a Ferrari next to it and everybody looks at the Mustang because the Ferrari's Lamborghini. No comparison, just no comparison. Mustang's definitely the way forward. Another thing with this car, she's a 3-speed manual as well, which is another nice thing to have. They are, don't get me wrong, the manual gearboxes are from the 1960s and possibly from the 1940s. They are not a fast gearbox. Don't think you're going to be getting in this car and racing up and down the gears like you would in a modern car. They're not like that at all. It does just give you a little bit more control, and the 3-speed manual suits the car really well. Top gear, third gear is really tall, so you tend to spend most of your time driving around between second and third gear, but there's plenty of torque there. I mean, that's the thing at the end of the day. When you've got a V8, loads of torque, and remember, you're never late in a V8. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling and we're going to have a look around the car, and I'll point out any marks or scratches or anything as we go around, but like I say, she is lovely. Anyway, let's get on and let's have a look. So here we are, the 1965 Ford Mustang 289 V8. Like I say, this is beautiful. I will go into detail because you can see how good this car is. Front bumper there. Front wheel. She's missing the aerial. We have got one on order, so that will be put back on there. Like I say, all the chrome work's really good. There's no rust on the car. Look at that. Rear bumper's all lovely. Put the overriders on there as well. What a good looking car. I love this colour. I wasn't sure, but I really do. We've had a couple now. This is the second one in this colour. You can see under the arches there. I think there was one tiny blemish, which is on the bonnet just here. It's a small crack just in the paintwork. It's been touched in, but it's just very small. And there's a mark just on the front bumper here. Oh no, it's not. It's a piece of cotton. Okay, so inside, like I said, we've got that rather nifty bench seat. Look at that. I didn't even know they did these until a few years ago. I think this is such a neat option, and then your armrest drops down. Like so. Look at that. Like I say, she's got the 3-speed manual gearbox. It's all new interior in here as well. Headlining's all lovely, and it's been put in properly too, which is a big thing because you have to take the rear window out to put the and the front window to be able to put the headlining in there. Rear seat's perfect. Obviously driver's seat's perfect, you can see that. Driver's door card, all lovely. Just grab the keys while we're here. I'll come round. I'll show you in the boot while we're here. Again, in here, all lovely. Look. Got the proper boot matting in there, and all the crucial parts are absolutely solid, as you can see. This is a lovely car. Okay, let's have a look under the hood, or the bonnet as we say in this country. And again, under here, she's lovely, all been restored. Got the chrome rocker covers, chrome air filter. You can see all the suspensions new. Washer bag. So the air conditioning unit, which would have mounted up here, has been removed. She does have power steering. Okay, let's fire her up and see what she sounds like. And there you have it. That's our video review of our 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, or notchback as they're called, 289 V8. Should you have any more questions, please give me a call. My name is Stuart, and our website is www.carrottowngarage.co.uk. We have a full workshop facility. I mean, you buy a car from us, you're not just buying it. It's not a case of buy a car and sod off. It's a buy a car, become part of the club, do lots of stuff with us. We've done 2 car shows this year. We had a great turnout just for the 2 shows that we did, and hopefully next year, once we get this COVID thing out the way, we'll do a lot more shows, and you can perhaps come along to those too. We keep stock of parts in for Mustangs and for Corvettes, and we are setting up a partnership with the Mustang Owners Club of GB as well, so we're in the process of doing that. So like I say, any more questions, please give us a call. Check out the website, give us a thumbs up on YouTube, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and have yourself a really great day. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.